Special of the day. Special is for those times when you have become angry and you scream and then you feel guilty. Do you ever go through that? Most people do. Especially mothers, of course, with the kids. And so what happens is that many times when we are reacting in anger, we say or do things that we regret later because anger makes us stupid. Right. And so we sometimes blurt out things or scream and say things then that hurt people that we love. What to do? So one of the techniques that help a lot of my patients and me, I can share. Would you like to learn?
Yes.
Welcome to Happy and Healthy Mind. If this is the first time you're joining us, my name is Dr. Rozina. I specialize in treatment of stress, anxiety, and depression. Over the last 20 years, I have been serving as medical doctor, specializing in psychiatry, a best-selling author, and a transformative speaker. I believe that a lot of suffering could be prevented by simple mind training. Therefore, I started this program where we share practical tips for your mental fitness so you don't have to suffer unnecessarily. The purpose of this program is educational, and therefore I would recommend to consult your healthcare professional for any treatment advice. Our mission is to bring health and happiness to more than 1 million people. So if you find value, please share, like, and subscribe so more people could live happier and healthier life. And once you would apply that technique, you'll see that you'd be able to handle situation with more calmness, and you would not have to suffer with the guilt feelings, but you would be able to actually get what you want. You'll increase the chance of getting what you want more. All right. So to do the technique, what you want to do is, number one, become aware. Let's use the example of a woman who is frustrated and has had a bad day, and she really is frustrated with her husband for not talking to her. All right. So what happens usually? Okay. So husband walks in, or you can reverse it. You walk in and you see your partner and you are really frustrated because you guys have not been talking. So what do people do first? They become a little passive aggressive, would not talk, would not answer, would have this flat face. Right? And then if something happens and then they get the chance and they just blurt out, you never cared about me, you don't listen to me, you don't talk to me, okay? And so what is the result? It would increase, it would escalate, and your partner is giving the argument back, and then it goes back and forth, and it leads to very opposite result of what you really wanted, right? So next time when you feel like your anger is going up, recognize it, and you can do these 3 things. Number one, let's say if you are already in the argument, you can just say, I need water. Okay, so you can either do the break, you can tell yourself take a break, or you can say just excuse me, or I'll be back, or stay here, whatever you want to say. Go get the glass of water. All right, so either you take the glass of water or a bottle of water. The second thing, you want to sit down, because when you are standing up, you are in this confrontation mode. So when you sit down and you're drinking the glass of water, it would cool your body down. And number 3, you can do the cooling breath, the straw breathing. Do you know about that straw breathing? So you curl your tongue a little bit and imagine a straw and suck from the straw. You feel a little cold in your mouth? Yeah. So it makes you cooler. So it decreases your body temperature. So when you are angry, your body temperature is up. By doing these things, you decrease the body temperature. You give your brain that few seconds to think, what are you trying to achieve? Okay. So you want attention from your partner. You want to be able to talk, and you want to be able to share your frustration. So say, okay, if I scream, would I get what I want? Or if you think that by screaming you're going to get what you want, do scream, but then scream intentionally instead of reactively, because then you would know, okay, that's what you wanted to do, that's what you wanted to achieve, and that's what you did. So you will feel good and you won't feel so guilty afterwards. Okay. But if you think that scream is going to give you opposite result, then just calm down and say, hey, I really would like to talk to you. Can you sit down so we can discuss? See, simple. So then you would increase tell me, Would you increase the chance of being able to communicate better if you take option 1 and react with impulsiveness and or passive aggressiveness? Or would you increase the chances of getting what you want if you calm down and then ask what you really need?
Yes,
Vicky.
calm down. I would say the second.
Yeah. So let me ask this audience a question and leave you guys with this question. What do you choose? Please put in the comment. Do you choose to reactively scream and later on feel guilty? Or do you choose to take this break, calm down, and then do whatever you want to do intentionally? On that note, stay happy and healthy. Remember that every day is a new day. Every day is a new opportunity to do what you would like to do. Keep practicing those habits. Keep calming yourself down. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. Till next time.